GasGas MC85 1916 popular 2024 motorcycles. GasGas, a leading name in off-road motorcycles, is empowering young riders to push their limits and reach new heights in off-road riding with the release of the MC85 1916 in 2024. This youth motocross bike is engineered to deliver exhilarating performance and precision handling, providing aspiring riders with the tools they need to develop their skills and chase their dreams on the track. The MC85 1916 features a lightweight and agile design, making it easy for young riders to maneuver and control with confidence. Powered by a potent two-stroke engine, the MC85 1916 delivers smooth and manageable power, allowing riders to tackle jumps, corners, and obstacles with ease. What sets the MC85 1916 apart is its championship-winning pedigree and race-ready performance. Engineered to excel in the demanding world of motocross competition, the MC85 1916 features a high-performance chassis, adjustable suspension, and premium quality materials throughout, ensuring that riders can push their limits with confidence and peace of mind. Enthusiasts and parents alike have praised the MC85 1916 for its exceptional performance and reliability. With its responsive handling, precise throttle response, and championship-winning pedigree, the MC85 1916 offers young riders a thrilling and exhilarating riding experience that is unmatched in the world of youth motocross bikes. The MC85 1916 is the ultimate motocross machine for young riders, remarked one enthusiast. It's powerful, it's agile, and it's incredibly fun to ride. GasGas has really hit it out of the park with this one. Sales figures reflect the MC85 1916's growing popularity, with dealerships reporting strong demand and enthusiastic reception from riders of all skill levels. As more families embrace the thrill of off-road riding, the MC85 1916 stands out as a top choice for young riders looking to hone their skills and compete at the highest levels of the sport. As GasGas celebrates the success of the MC85 1916 in 2024, the motorcycle industry takes note of its impact on the youth motocross scene. With its winning combination of power, precision, and reliability, the MC85 1916 is empowering young riders to reach new heights and chase their dreams of motocross glory like never before.